Assalamu alaikum everyone. Information Box Ticket Lifestyle brings you.
Paragraph writing topic, Internet.
But before that, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon button for more videos. Kindly show your support to this channel. The Internet is a wonderful and beautiful product that someone has created for its use. We can acquire news and data from the web as well as view recordings, movies and listen to music. We may also communicate by sending messages, communicate with friends online, and there are several other applications that everyone can think of. The Internet is one of the most recent innovations of someone who has revolutionized the way people work and live. It has practically eliminated separation and has dismantled all human-made barriers, making the whole planet accessible. It has delivered data to our doorstep, and with the snap of a finger, we may enter the data cosmos. The Internet has now grown to commonplace that it is instantly available anywhere on the planet. We no longer require a computer. With the introduction of cell phones and 4G technology, web access has become simpler and faster. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. The Internet is a worldwide system that connects a million of computers all around the world. The Internet, often known as the Net and Internet (WWW), is the most common platform for educational resources. The US Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency launched the Internet in the United States. The Propel Research Project Agency Network was the name given to the Internet when it was initially connected in October 1969. It was called ARPANET. The Internet is a fantastic electronic highway that provides instant access to global news and data. Data, document, archives and other assets are easily available on the Internet, which contains a massive amount of information. We may send electronic mail such as email or converse online with people on different continents over the web. We may fill out forms for numerous institutions, universities, colleges, and organizations, as well as significant examinations online. However, in order to boost our productivity, we must constantly utilize the Internet properly. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Standard Web Convention Suite is used by the Internet to service a few billion users throughout the world. It may be described as a global correspondence system based on personal computers. Anyone with a computer can access the Internet. In such instances, appropriate programming is required. There are several focus places on the Internet. On the Internet, anyone can find any information they require. Getting information on any subject is a huge help to understudies in their exams, especially when it comes to writing reports. People who work in research benefit greatly since they may learn about and implement examination techniques from anywhere in the world. As a result, research and innovation are expected to advance at distant rate. The average person may have a lot of questions. One may look for a job, obtain applications, shop, and advertise themselves. One can keep track of their financial situations. In this way, the Internet has set the stage for a swell of adventurous scenarios. However, there are several drawbacks to using the Internet, one of the most significant being the ease with which false information may be spread. However, if utilized correctly, the Internet can be quite beneficial. Kindly show your support by subscribing to my channel. The Internet is a network of computer systems that are linked together using common communication protocols. The Internet provides access to a vast amount of useful information. When the US Department of Defense connected a few PCs using optical link devices, web duties began. Satellites were also used in these systems to transmit data to far locations. The Internet is administered by both the government and commercial organizations. All of the emails and text possibilities have been offered the most energizing technique of correspondence by the web. We can send email to any corner of the globe. The web's information cost for sending an email message is incredibly cheap. Furthermore, the Internet may be used to collect information from many websites on a variety of topics. This information might be related to education, medication, writing, programming, computers, business, entertainment, companionship, and recreation. The Internet is also used to do business, and this set of activity is known as electronic commerce, which is called online business. The Internet provides access to all of the world's newspapers, publications, and diaries. Potential outcomes of the Internet are enormous. The Internet's benefits include little efforts, massive amounts of data, quick access, and a wide range of entertainment options. Its flaw is that people frequently sit about aimlessly while browsing various websites on the Internet. The new century has ushered in a new era of information technology, with the Internet serving as a bedrock of this cutting-edge era. What is the process of creating the Internet? The Internet is made up of a massive network of particular PCs known as switches. The essential task of every switch is to figure out how to get bundles from their source to their destination. During its journey, a bundle will have passed through several switches. A leap occurs when a packet begins with one switch and then goes to the next. What percentage of people use the Internet? As of April 2020, almost 4.57 billion people were active online users, accounting for 59% of the global population. Who was the first person to create the Internet? The web was created by Robert E. Kahn. How would I access the Internet if I didn't have the access to modem? If your network access provider offers Ethernet or Wi-Fi connectivity, you can connect to the Internet without using a modem. Some closed providers will drop an Ethernet connection that you may connect to your framework or use to interact with their remote routes. The Internet is becoming the town square for global village of tomorrow. Don't believe everything you see or read on the Internet just because there's a picture with a quote next to it. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon button for more videos like this. Thank you so much for supporting this channel.